I'm Fox Barbecue. I fear no danger, and that makes nature my bitch. You stick with me, I'll show you how to survive in the wild and maintain your rightful place at the top of the food chain. You are gonna want to see this. Booyah! This is Nature Boy. This week we're in the heart of the Canadian wilderness, where signs of human life are few and far between. Now, I have brought next to nothing with me in order to survive, so staying vertical is gonna be tricky. One of the few things I never leave home without is my trusty... Cut. Now, a good pocket knife has 1,001... Anyway, this will, by all means, help me stay alive in the wilderness. You know, let's go make nature our bitch. Ah, perfect. Now, whenever you're in the wild, it's always important to have something to defend yourself with. That way, if something tries to bite you, you can bite back. Now, this is obviously a sprig of spruce, judging by the texture of the bark. So that means it's perfect to craft a spear or anything like that to defend myself against any potential predators. All you have to do, as any good outdoorsman knows, take out your trusty pocket knife, and in no time you'll be able to whittle away a perfect weapon. Hey Phil, do you have a knife?
Do I have a knife? No, I don't have a knife. You have a knife.
Well, mine's not working though. Was that a nail file?
Yes, that is a nail file. That's
Yeah.
not going to cut it. Literally.
Well, there's like 1,000 different things on this knife. I don't know.
There we go.
There you have it. A spear fit for a king. Let's go catch some fish. Trout or something. Jesus.
It's just a bird. You'll be fine.
Yeah, well, it was a big bird. So, here we are. I have just stumbled across what very well could be some ancient Viking ruins that have been left here for hundreds, maybe thousands of years. It looks like it could have been a very primitive fireplace. And of course, that reminds me, it's getting pretty late. I'm getting pretty hungry. Time to start building a fire. Now, I can see that there have been some stones that have been left around here. All I need to do is gather these up, assemble them in a circle, and once the area is clear, I'll find some materials to show you guys the correct way to make a fire. All right. Okay. So now you got the flint, right?
What flint?
The flint to start a fire.
I don't have a flint. Why would I have a flint? You should have the flint.
Well, you're the one with, like, I don't know, equipment.
I'm the director with the camera equipment.
You know what? You're useless. You're useless.
Oh, I'm useless.
I will do
useless.
everything. Okay. Siri, how do you make a fire? No, Siri, how do you... This damn thing's still recording.
I took this job. He found me on Craigslist. Offered me $50 to help him direct his pilot. I'm thinking, well, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna help a guy out. It's only $50, but who cares, right?
And the sun has been up for approximately, judging by its position, I'd say about 14 hours, 37 minutes.
Half the time he's just got his selfie stick filming himself. I don't even know why I'm here. I don't want to bail on the guy, but man, this is just frustrating.
You have to get out of a bad situation and turn lemons into lemonade.
I don't even know what he's doing. I'm even afraid to look over them.
All right. And that is how a woodsman makes shorts. We've been walking for like at least 10 hours. I have not seen any food, animals, or drinkable water anywhere. I'm getting really tired. I really gotta find something to eat or drink. I can drink my own piss.
What? No. No, there's no way. There's no way. I mean, I know he's kind of weird, but... Fox. Fuck, are you actually?
Oh, hey, just turn around. I can't do this.
What?
Hey,
No,
no,
what are
stop.
you actually-
Oh,
Oh,
whoa.
Jesus.
Man, come on.
Oh,
Just-
you you were actually gonna drink your own piss?
Well, yeah,
By
I
peeing
mean,
into
oh,
a
no, it's
water
all over
bottle?
it's all over my hands.
Well, don't smell it.
Oh, no, I can't. You gotta hold
But
it.
no, I don't want it.
No, you got it.
No,
You got
dude,
it.
no.
Just
This is
take
not
it,
worth
Phil.
50 bucks.
Cut. Phil! The fuck away from me! Come on. Is anybody out here? Phil! Where the hell am I? Oh my God, this is hell! Somebody help me! Somebody! Somebody! If they find me, just tell them I tried. I tried to be the nature boy. I just couldn't do it. I'm sorry, Phil.